Almost died, earned a cash route. People stole from me, trying to cash out. Fronted packs, people ran off. I was trying to help out. Never cared about the money, I was blessed with a cash route. No stems, no seeds, large cash amounts. Switched up my team, now I make money, follow my dreams. I saw a light as a young king. I've been sitting through sermons, I see the joy you bring. Some people never make it home. R.I.P. Lisa, I'm hurt that you gone. Could've been anyone, why not me? That's why I go hard, could've been me. PTSD, I quit playing a long time ago.
YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. How y'all doing? Once again, that's a line from my homeboy All Things Styles. Hey, before I get into this video, shout out to the squad. Yeah, real energy. All Things Styles, or J Styles. 12 Gone Apparel, or the voice of reasoning. Faye / you dig? You dig? Y'all know who we rocking with. It's the squad. If y'all haven't, please go join the group, man. We on Facebook, dropping inspiration, tips, knowledge, motivation, all that in the above. But today we're going to be doing some more of them stickers. Everybody's excited about them. And I was wondering, what all vinyls could you really use? So as I mentioned in the first sticker video, you can use any type of vinyl. And I'm curious to see how this puff is going to work out. So I did a couple of cutouts on the intermediate Decal, which is like the clear sticker film. And then I used puff. So we're going to try puff vinyl and see how this turns out. If you would direct it towards the countertop. Got us a blue puff. We got us a red puff. We got us a gray puff. And last time I didn't do the actual knockout cut which went around the actual sticker, but I did on this one. If you could zoom in a little bit, I don't know if you can see that on the Decal in the back, the line. So it'll be a perfect sticker. I'm thinking I spend quite a bit of money for advertisement and for making my boxes and my packages that I'm shipping out and sending out a little bit special. But if I can do it all in-house, it saves me coin. So I have my heat press at 321 degrees, and we're only going to press these for 7 seconds. Now, you guys have to remember, when you do this, only press for 7 seconds. Any time after that, it's a no-go. It will distort, it will tear up, the sticker will not act right. And then after it's done heating, take it off the heat and let it cool for at least 20 to 30 seconds, or until it's cool to the touch. So my time was at 15 seconds. We're gonna go down to the 7 right there. That's a bit of a hard yank, I know. And we are starting to get some sort of rise, it looks like. We're gonna take it to the coolness of this. And just let it cool, you know, let it hang out for a little bit. Hey, yo, I'm looking for video ideas. If you got any, drop some down in the comment section below. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. After all, I'm here to help uplift, I should say, inspire and motivate. And maybe you're stuck on something and would just like me to get to the video of that. Like I said, please drop a comment below in the comment section. If that's not good enough, my email's there and you can always contact me there. Hey, squad up. So they have just got done cooling and we're getting ready to pill them. Check them out. But yo, last time I messed up with Circle Clothing hoodies. So I'm leaving the link down below and you can hit that and it'll take you straight to them where you can get some of the finest hoodies that's out right now. As I said before, I'm using them for my brand, Grizzly Fit. You see what I'm saying? If you would like to copy some of this, hit me up in the Gmail, man. So now that it's cool, we're just gonna go ahead and try to peel this the best way possible. Okay, not too much of a puff on the red one, but you can kind of feel it. There is definitely a nice texture there. And then, like I said, this comes off. And I did like a scan and cut thing. Let me try to get a little bit closer. All right, there we go. So you guys can see, I'm not going to completely take it off of here, but it's cut perfectly, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. Let's do the other ones. Oh, yeah. I'm not a big fan of the way this stuff smells, but this gives some type of dimension and feel to the actual sticker itself. I'm telling you, this is the way to go for the future. I mean, 3D dimensional stickers, I'm having a little bit of issues, y'all. Let me peel it back. And I'm only doing this to show you guys that I did a scan and cut, because last time I didn't. So can you see that? Voila!
Texture.
And it's textured. It's a beautiful thing. So down to the last one. And I think this is way better than ordering them. When you make a couple of these, put this on your package, people are definitely going to be able to tell that you went the extra mile to please them. And you probably can see the texture in this one, as you might not have been able to see it. And definitely the feel is there. So I am geeked, I am geeked, I am geeked. Yeah. These might be going out on somebody's packages or something. I don't know, I might make 102,000 even, you know what I'm saying? You know what time it is. I gotta shout out some of the constituents of the squad. First one, SP Poke. Hey, SP Poke, if you got a YouTube page, drop it in the comment section so people can follow you. But we love what you're doing in the squad. I love all the contributions, the knowledge, the tips that you've been giving and actually inspiring others to get out, get up off day, and do something. Let's go to the next one. And it's really live, y'all. I'm really like scrolling right now. You know what I mean? The second one, shouts out to Chris Clark / Rich Vision. Man, he be having some dope stuff. Those colorways that you be matching with the shoes, the whole fit, the complete package. Hey, y'all, if he got a YouTube channel, please drop it in the comment section. And if he does, y'all go follow it. I'm pretty sure you'll find some knowledge there. And last but not least, we're going to go with Williams Tremond. Williams Tremond. You know, I'll be having them little bumps in the road, but I'm getting there, y'all. I promise you I'm getting there. I'm going to celebrate it out. There you go. That sounds a little bit better, a little bit more professional. But yo, shouts out to the squad constituents, yo. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. So I seen that it's only right to yell you out in my videos. That's why I do it. And plus, the information, the tips, the tricks, all of that, it's like a community of brothers, sisters, aunties, uncles, and cousins. We all in it like family. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for a boy to get up out of here. I'm ready to eat. I got that grizzly grub going on right now.
People stole from me, trying to cash out. Fronted packs, never cared about the money. I was blessed with a cash route. No stems, no seeds, large cash amounts. Switched up my team, now I make money, follow my dreams. I saw a light as a young king. I've been sitting through sermons, I see the joy you bring. Some people never make it home. R.I.P. Lisa, yeah, I'm hurt that you gone. Could've been anyone, why not me? That's why I go hard, could've been me. PTSD, I quit playing a long time ago. Stay true to myself, I'm not new to this. I sit back, reminisce how I spent so many years neglecting your word. I beat the odds, I'm on point like a pen. Got the Lord in my veins, real love, real rap. I say it with my chest, I mean what I say. Stop playing with yourself, emotions make enemies. I beat the odds, I'm on point like a pen. Got the Lord in my veins, real love, real rap. I say it with my chest, I mean what I say. Stop playing with yourself. Emotions make enemies.
First off, thank God that I beat the odds. Yeah. First off, every morning give God applause. Yeah. I reminisce being in the whip beating knives. But if I ruled the world was just a mirage that I try to keep my eyes away from. Ain't trying to play dumb, my dad was on crack. My mom ain't wanna say nothing, things would get violent. Suffering in silence, house foreclosed, life all around was spiraling. Some betted I'd be next, like father, like son. Didn't have a lot of hope for who I would become. And for a while, I was headed down the wrong path. Thinking short term without doing long math. But 20 on the E-way, it is hard to see the signs. But I'm grateful for grace. The Lord gave me extra time. He saved me from sin, went beneath my flaws. Now I'm a joint heir with Christ. Yeah, I beat the odds. Ayy.
I beat the odds, I'm on point like a pen. Got the Lord in my veins, real love, real rap. I say it with my chest, I mean what I say. Stop playing with yourself, emotions make enemies. I beat the odds, I'm on point like a pen. Got the Lord in my veins, real love, real rap. I say it with my chest, I mean what I say. Stop playing with yourself, emotions make enemies.